Well, we got the sneeze shields up. One, two, three of them. And TV's over here, the speaker's there. So looks like it's going to work all right.